Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see already in the title and the thumbnail, it's gonna be a huge Target haul. So I have like a couple of bags here from Target, and no, I didn't buy this all in one. I went there, this has been sitting here for like I would say a week or two. So I was thinking I'm just gonna do a Target haul since I have like a couple of bags here. So I'm just gonna start first for this bag. I got this last night after work. So anyways, first things first, here is the Tirani classic caramel syrup. I love using this brand as like if I'm making like iced coffee. I love their French vanilla and also their classic caramel. So I believe this is like $4 something. Yeah, $4.29 for this syrup. And I use this to add a little bit flavor when I'm making iced coffee. Next one here, they have Function of Beauty at Target now. I don't know if you guys know that, but Function of Beauty, before you just like buy them online, now Target carry them, and they also have like for curly hair, straight hair. So I just want to try their shampoo. So all right, next one is this Maybelline Ulti Matte. I believe this is new from Maybelline, and I want to do like trying new makeup. So there's actually a bunch. I think my Target, they rearrange like the skincare aisle. They kind of like rearrange the whole like beauty aisle. They add more. They have Revolution now there. They have like how do you call it, more makeup brands in Target. And so I was curious about this, and of course my eye was like I want to try this because I like the shade, especially in the shade more taupe, 799 more taupe. And I still haven't heard about people raving about this because I believe it's new, but like I said, I'm gonna be doing a trying new makeup products. Moving on in the second, okay, so I got like a couple of bags. Okay, moving on with the second bag. Of course, I have here Mighty Patch. At this point, Hero Cosmetics, if you're watching this, just kidding. So yeah, anyways, I gotta have this Mighty Patch because I don't know, like I just gotta have it, and I love this. Especially if I have like little pimples or upcoming pimples, I just pop this in and it'll work like magic. So this is the invisible one. I do have the regular one. I have the purple and the green one. Love it. And also we have here some Revolution. I don't know if this is new or not, but this is the Mega Bronzer in the shade Cool right here. So like it's big, like it's really big. It's like my palm of my hand big. That's that. They have, I see that there's two more shades in there. All right, so next one is from Wet n Wild. This is their color icon. I believe this is new. I pick up the name palette Go Commando right here because it's very like neutral and easy to like work with. I don't really good with like blending like colorful eyeshadows, so I picked this up. And I can't see the receipt, so I don't know like how much the price, but I'm gonna try to put it in the screen for you guys. Okay, next in this bag is this Ardell Wispies. I pick up the 5 pairs of Wispies, and I haven't really purchased from Ardell, and I want to just, you know, buy them again because I used to love Ardell, and ever since I discovered the Shop Miss A lashes, I never really went back to Ardell, but I want to try this again. This is the 5 pair. All right, moving on with this bag. Okay, so this is, I picked this up like a week or two ago. This is from the brand Opal House, and I believe this is like new at Target. This is just a bento box, so I got 2 bento box, and I love prepping my meals, especially if I go to work. And this is just so cute. Like my eyes was like, oh my god, I want to get that, and they're like $10, and I love prepping my food, so this is really good. I just got 2 of this bento box, and they're like $10, and I can't wait to use them, especially if I'm going to work, because I would put my lunch in here, and it would save me like money, especially if I'm prepping my meals, because I don't like, as much as I like buying food, I try to save my money and just cook food and, you know, prepare my food for the week so I don't have to buy and, you know, spend money on food, especially like fast food. So next bag is, oh, okay, so this here is, I have here the sandwich bags. Okay, so next is makeup. Okay, so this is the e.l.f. Cc Camo Concealer. Finally Target carried them because for a while it's been sold out, and every time I go to e.l.f. website they sold out or they don't have my shade. Every time I go to Ulta's website they sold out or they don't have my shade. So finally Target carried the Cc Camo cream, and a lot of people has been comparing this to the It Cosmetics. So I do have my It Cosmetics, and let's see if this is any good or if it's worth the money or if it's worth buying. So like I said, I'm gonna be making like a trying new products, makeup products, and I'm gonna be featuring this. And I picked up the shade, hopefully this is my shade. I picked up the shade Light 280N. So this is what they look like. All right, next one is repurchase. This is the Olay Cleansing and Nourishing. I love this together with the body conditioner. I'm running low on this one, so I just repurchased them. Yeah, this is the Cleansing and Nourishing. They do have like the different one, but I just love this. I really love this, especially the smell. It smells amazing. Okay, so the last in this bag is this Peet's Coffee. I want to try this brand Peet's, and I got the medium roast because I do have my coffee grinder and I want to start grinding and also use the coffee grinder. I did order a blue bottle coffee beans, and you guys, I ordered that last year December 15 for my Christmas gift, and literally just now, like a couple days arrived, and it took forever for them to ship this. Like it's like a back order, so I was like, I don't even know if that coffee is gonna arrive anytime soon. So I just got this, and a couple days later I received the package. But anyways, I'm excited to try this, and if you guys know me, I love coffee. So for this last bag I got a couple. First is I have this measuring cup, this glass measuring cup. Look how cute that is, and this is $9.99. This is in the middle. If you go to like Target, I believe they have Magnolia. If you don't know, Chip and Joanna Gain, especially from Fixer Upper. So I got the measuring cup, and I also got the glass tall tumbler. If I'm making like matcha or like coffee, I'm gonna be putting in here. It's so cute and clear. This is $9.99 and this is $5.99. So cute. Gotta wash that. And then I also have the glass short tumbler, which is $3.99. And then okay, oh my goodness, I finally got the Sky High mascara that everyone is raving about. This is new from Maybelline, and I've seen a lot of TikToks about this mascara. This is good, like you don't need lashes, this and that. So I'm gonna give this bad boy a try, and hopefully it's worth the hype, and hopefully it's worth, you know, the purchase, because it's like $9.99 or $8.99. It's kind of expensive for a mascara, but yeah, that's that. Anyway, you guys, that is it for today's Target haul. If you guys love this haul, please like and consider subscribing if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon on my next video. Bye.